Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing my December daily today. I'm going to work on some foundation pages, some prep pages. I'm going to be doing my title page and my 2x2 pocket squares page. It's something I've done in every single December daily, and I just really love doing it. Basically, the way that I like doing it is that I like to have kind of a lot of different components that I'm going to be using in the book kind of represented in my 2x2 spread. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this aside. And if you're wondering, nope, still haven't glued that down. So for the cover, and I know this is going to be kind of hard to see because it's going to create a big glare, but for the cover, I'm hoping it's not too bad. I'm going to keep it really super simple this year, and I'm going to just put this on. This is an Ali Edwards transparency sheet with gold stars, and I'm just going to put this and this word twinkle, and that's going to be my cover. The thing is, the 2x2 pocket page is going to be on the bottom of it, and you can basically see the 2020 through the transparency. So it'll kind of basically look like this when it's in the book. So I like that it has kind of that element of the 2x2, the 2020 right there. So that's really what we're going to do. I mean, that's going to be my cover, which is like the most simplest cover I've ever done. So we're going to take my Fabri-Tac by Beacon. I'm just going to go around the edges of this. I think it'll probably show on the other side, so I might want to do something with that, but typically that doesn't really bother me too much. Yeah, I think I'm just going to run this over the glue stick just to give it some extra adhesive. I probably don't need to do that, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Yeah, I feel like that's gonna work. So I'm just gonna put a little tiny, try to put a little tiny piece of glue because this is going to be like my front cover, so I feel like I'm going to be touching it a lot. I don't want the little dot to fall off. Yeah, so I mean, that's literally all I'm doing, and it kind of surprises me because I'm usually way more stuff than that. Okay, so then here's the 2x2 pocket. I've got kind of everything mapped out of what I want to do. It's just kind of executing it. So I'm going to put this came from Elle Studios. I think it was either in the November subscription kit or something like that. But I really love that. And then these little things came from Ali Edwards. I want to put this little home wood veneer. I was thinking about maybe painting that white. This came from the Paisley Press mini kit from Ali Edwards. I've got some cork stars that I wanted to put in here. I want to put this word joy. And then I'm gonna, oh no, I was gonna put this over there, that's right. That was gonna go here, and then I'm gonna make a little tag. I have this thing that says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and I'm gonna put it in the middle here with these little plastic sheets, but I'm trying to figure out if I want to use this acetate or just this clear acetate. So I'm not 100% sure. I kind of like that it's all clear, so I kind of feel like I want to keep it that way. So I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, and then I had, oh, I'm just going to put this little heart right there. And then, so let me cut out the little tag that I want to cut out so that I can have a full visual. Okay, well, change of plans because I don't know where I put the plates to that die cut machine. So I'll just use my big kick here. Oh, there's a specific piece I want to use on here. I think it was, I wanted it to be like a lot of red. I've got basically all the different colors in here. I've got the acetate, the vellum, stickers, corkboard, wood veneers, acrylic pieces, these the gold foil, and then now I've got this little vellum piece. I was thinking about putting this star in the middle. And then adding some ribbon. Might put a little sentiment maybe. Not sure. I have these little rub-ons from Tim Holtz. I could maybe put a little sentiment on there. Okay, I'm just going to put the word believe. Okay, so I just got that little tag and I just put some twine on there and then I will stick that in there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cut out the 12 little 2x2 squares with the plastic. So I'm using, this is the plastic that I'm using, and sorry if there's a glare. It's 0.007, so it's pretty thin. I just got it off of Amazon. So yeah. So I'm going to make the squares just a little bit smaller than 2x2. So it's okay. Oh, I didn't need 12. I already have these put in there. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to take each of the little squares. I'm going to make sure that they fit in the pocket. And then I'm just going to glue these little pieces on. So then as you can see, it kind of floats in that pocket. So that's basically what I'm going to do with all of the different pieces. I just want to show you what I'm doing with this one. I am going to glue these down. And then I'm going to cut off the excess. So I'm just going to take. I'm not sure how this acrylic or acetate piece is going to take to this glue. but we're about to find out. And this little vellum stars came from Pretty Little Studios. I did a huge haul video for them. Stuff that I bought. And so if you're interested in any of those videos, I have a full playlist down below of all of my 2020 videos, plus then I have a playlist of all of my sorry, I lost my train of thought. I have a playlist of all of my 2020 videos, plus I have a playlist of all of my videos that I'm putting on together. I did 2 different playlists. Okay, so now that I have these little pieces on there, I'm going to cut along the edges. And then this will go in this top pocket up here. Yeah, that's cool. I think I could probably just put that in the, I can probably just stick it to the pot inside the pocket, but I want it to be lined up right and all that stuff. Definitely should have cut these a little bit shorter. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this one on. I think I'm just, okay. So I decided that I do want to try to whitewash this. I'm really scared because it's the only one I have, and if I don't like it, I'm scared. I'm scared. But I just want to add some color to it a little bit, so I'm just going to do it. So I have a little paint. I guess I could put it in camera. I have a little cup of water and just a tiny little bit of paint. I'm just gonna yeah, I think I like it. I actually want to add a little bit more. So I feel like the one element that's kind of missing from this page is ribbon. I have the twine, but I think I want to add, and I also don't have metal, like a little metal component, which is another piece that I kind of want to use. So I think I'm going to rectify that by stapling on these little pieces of ribbon. I mean, it's just going to be a tiny little piece, but I feel like it's kind of what it needs. So I think what I want to do kind of want to hide the back of that. So I'm just going to take this little tissue paper that came. Yeah, I like that. Just adds that little touch with the staple. Okay, now for this one, I don't know if I want it on the front of the pocket or inside the pocket, because it's a pretty thick piece. And I feel like if I put it inside, it's not gonna quite work. So I don't know what to do. I think I'm just gonna glue it right to the pocket. And we'll see if that holds. Well, we'll see if that stays on there. Okay, and then I've got the little reindeer piece. Just literally gonna glue on here. I'm not gonna whitewash this one. So I just realized that I have the word Mary. And then I have the sentiment Merry Christmas, and they're sitting right next to each other, which I do not like. So maybe I'll just flip these two. Okay, and then I think since I put this on the front, I'm just going to do the same thing with this little felt piece so that there's more than one thing on the outside of the pocket. Yeah. All right, and then the very last thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to put this little December, I don't really want the period, and the star right here in the corner on top of the pocket. I tested this with I tested it with the word snow, and it worked really well. It was like, did not come off. I was scratching it like crazy, and it would not come off. So now, granted, I did it on a flat pocket without this piece inside there. I could probably take that piece out, but I kind of glued it in. Okay. Let's make sure the stars move down. Did I get the star? Yes. Okay. Okay. So now it says 2020 December. Okay. Let's move all this out of the way. I really love how it turned out, and I feel like I've got everything represented. I've got the stickers, the corkboard, vellum stars, little wood veneers, the acetate pieces or acrylic pieces, the vellum pieces, chipboard, the felt, kind of all the things that I want to use in this project. And then this will go right on top. And I love that you can kind of see everything from the on the back. And then when you flip it over, it has all the pieces. Yeah, I just really love doing these 2x2 pockets. So that was the project video for this process video for this page. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I will be continuing doing December Daily throughout the month of December. So if you like December Daily, go ahead and subscribe below. And we'll see each other next time. Bye for now.